Alright guys, well the day has come. I've got everything loaded up. The service department is closed. Everything in service is moved, and everything from the warehouse will be moved this week. They're starting on that today. So it's definitely a weird feeling, kind of sad day. Especially for the people who've been in this building a lot longer than I have. I've only been in here for a little over 2 years. Let's check it out. Yep, it's all gone, guys. The tools, the lifts, it echoes in here really bad now. Still got to get these tool boards off the wall at some point. I just came over this morning to check on a few last minute things and grab some customer pickups, and I'm actually headed over to the new dealership in Charleston to work for the next couple days. Gonna go ahead and give you guys this straight. If you're a member, then you already, let me get out of this echo. All right guys, so if you're a channel member, you already know that we're merging with Hidden Trails Motorsports. They are actually going to become AOMC, so we're keeping the AOMC name. We'll just be in a new dealership location. The warehouse is in a new location with plenty of room for it to grow and catch its stride. What you guys probably don't know though, unless you're a member and you saw that members only video, is I am leaving the service department. I'm headed there this week to help catch them up on some things, and I'm actually starting a new journey in the marketing department, which is super exciting to me. I get to worry about some more big picture stuff, growing the website. Got some special projects I'm going to be working on and will roll out over the next few months, so it's pretty pumped. But no, I will not be turning wrenches every day. I will still be doing suspension work from my garages, but a lot of the other tech work will definitely fade. Still going to be plenty of videos. You're still going to see plenty of me. Just probably not a lot of those. A lot of those tech work videos got put on the RTI Power Sports channel anyway, so you're not going to be missing much. Still going to be plenty of footage. I'm still going to be doing some really cool bike walk-arounds. I'll be doing starts. I'll be doing build videos. All that stuff will still be there. It's going to be good, so I hope you guys will stick around with me for sure. I don't think I'd ever showed you guys this area up here, but this is where customer service and all of admin and everybody like that was stationed while we were in this building, which is for the last 10 or 11 years. And we just really outgrew this building. Here's the cubicles. Customer service would sit along these cubicles right here, but it got to the point where we had 3 or 4 desks piled in here, 2 or 3 or 4 desks here. There was just not enough room, and then everybody trying to be on phone calls and stuff. Kitchen here, manager's office here. Definitely a lot of memories up here. I definitely want to show you guys some behind the scenes footage of the new warehouse, where AOMC.MX is gonna work out of. The cool thing is it's only a couple blocks away from the dealership, so I'll be able to support those guys that are learning my position at the dealership from close by until they get up to stride. So yeah, come along with me guys, smash the like button, subscribe, and it's a new beginning.